Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? Today's yoga practice is focused on boosting your confidence. You may be feeling a little low, you may have an important interview coming up, you may be feeling a little nervous or just a tad bit of insecurity creeping into your mind. These yoga postures are bound to boost up your mood, boost up your confidence. So let's begin. Let's start in the hero pose, Vajrasana. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhaling, deep breath in, exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. See that the breath is reaching your belly. You can keep your right palm on the belly. Inhale, swelling up your belly. Exhale, navel to spine. Interlace your fingers, lift your arms up, opening the chest, opening the heart. You can arch slightly here, just taking your arms slightly behind your ears. Gentle arch. Keep breathing, keep lifting up. Lengthen your spine. One more breath. And another one. And releasing, taking your arms behind this time, placing your fingertips on the floor, lifting your chest up, looking up, opening your heart, gentle heart opener. Just opening your heart to receive all the positivity from the universe. Inhale, fill up your lungs, exhale. All the negative thoughts, everything out. Inhale and exhale. Closing your eyes just is a way of letting go of all the other distractions and focusing on your breath. One more time, inhale and exhale. And release. From there we move Simhasana or Simhagarjasana. It's to do with your breath. So let's begin by sitting in wide open hero pose. So your toes are together, you're sitting up on your heels. Bring your palms down on the floor and lift your chest up. So you are lifting the chest up here, pushing the shoulders back and opening your chest. And once you're here, you're going to roar like a lion. Simhasana or Simhagarjasana. Inhale. And as you exhale, make a ha sound, make a roaring sound. One more time. Inhaling. So we're sticking the tongue out. And inhale. And relax. Release. From there we move into child's pose, taking your knees wide open on either sides of the edge of the mat. And just walk your palms in front. This is an active child's pose. So you keep the fingertips on the floor. Just lengthen your spine. Stay here and breathe just for a few breaths. Every time we're trying to open up your chest, more and more. Open up the shoulders more. Whenever we are insecure, we tend to slouch. We tend to round our shoulders, just trying to bring that slight openness of the shoulders, of the heart, straightening up our posture, and in turn boosting our confidence as well. And from there, walk back. Bring your palms on the floor. And since I don't have space, I'm going to move back a little bit. I'm moving into extended puppy pose, Anahatasana again. Excellent heart opener. You can bring the forehead down. Stay and breathe. If you're comfortable, bring the chin down. Keep your toes tucked in. Deep breaths. One last. And from there, moving into downward facing dog. So palms on the floor. Lift the knees off the floor. And move into downward facing dog. Just stay and breathe. You can pedal your feet in place. You can keep your knees bent. Just pushing your chest towards your thighs. Keep breathing. A few more breaths. You can move your hips side to side. Just lengthening the spine a little bit more. Pushing away from your palms. Next inhalation, bring the right foot forward in between your palms. Coming up into Warrior Two, opening the left palm out. Right palm in front. Look at your right fingertips. Keep breathing. Again, chest wide open. You're opening the hips more and more, turning towards the front, while your knee stays above your toes. From there, cartwheel your palms down. Bring the back knee on the floor, left knee on the floor, toes pointing back. And we come up, lift the arms up for a low lunge. Stay and breathe. Again, opening the chest as much as possible. Deep breaths in every posture. Keep pushing the hip forward. Feel the sensation in your fingers. And gently release, coming down. From there, keeping the left palm down, dropping the right knee out. Fold your left knee. In case you cannot reach the foot, just stay here trying to reach. If you can hold, keep pulling the foot closer, twist and look up. Opening the heart more. See if you can pull the heel closer. Change the grip if you need to. And release. Keep the palm on the waist. Tuck your left toes in. Lift the knee off. And if you can, go into a side plank. You can always keep the right leg in front here. Otherwise, you can bring the left leg down, extend the right leg over. Still staying in a side plank. Extend your right arm up. Stay and breathe. If you can go into a full plank, you can keep your feet separate. You can stack your feet up. And coming down, back to downward facing dog. We'll do everything on the other side. Just pedaling your feet here, checking your spine. See if it is lengthened after all those postures. See if you're feeling a little bit more open. See if your heels can reach down. And with that, bring your left leg in front, left foot coming in front, right heel rotating on the floor. Cartwheel your arms out, left arm in front, right arm behind, warrior two on the left side. Stay and breathe. Don't lean forward, stay back. Keep your heart open, chest open. Keep breathing. And from there, cartwheel your palms down. Bringing the right knee down, pointing the toes back, lifting the arms up for low lunge. Again, reaching the biceps behind the ears, opening your chest up, opening your heart up, pushing the hip in front. Keep breathing. If you cannot bend back, stay here. It's all right. With that, changing sides, changing pose. Taking your right arm down, left knee drops down, left instep out. Folding your right leg, try to reach the foot. If you cannot reach, it's all right. Just stay here trying to reach. Otherwise, hold the foot. Keep pulling the heel closer to the buttocks. Twist and look up. Deep breaths. Lengthening the spine, lifting away from your right palm. Keep looking up. Keep pushing that hip lower. And releasing. From there, moving into the side plank. Now you can choose your variation of the side plank. You can take the left leg back, bring the right leg up, right knee off the floor. Or you can bring the right knee down, fold the leg towards the back, extend the left leg back. And keep the left arm up. Stay here and breathe. Or you can extend both the legs. Stack the legs if you want to, if you can. There is variations. And choose any variation. You cannot look up, look in front. bringing the palms down, walking again in downward facing dog. From there, bring your knees down and sit in child pose, just a gentle break. Coming down on the floor, so we bring the feet closer to your buttocks so that you can touch the heels. Back of the head on the floor, palms by the sides, press your palms down, press your heels down. Lift the hip up as high as it would go. Keep lifting the hip higher. Stay here for a few breaths. If you want, you can take your arms underneath, interlace your fingers, open the chest even more. And gently release, come down. From there, we're moving to calming down. We have worked up a little bit, and I'm hoping you're feeling a lot better than when you began the practice. Reclining, bound angle pose or butterfly pose. Staying here, calming down your nerves. Every time you inhale, think of all the positive things, all the good things. I'm confident. I'm worthy. I can do anything. I'm powerful. I'm blessed. And exhale all the negative thoughts out. All the insecurities, nervousness, anything that is bringing you down. Just leave it on the mat. Let it go. And when you're ready, move into Savasana, final posture. For this practice, corpse pose. Keep your feet away, so you can lift one leg at a time and drop it down. Lift one arm at a time and drop it down, so that your arms and legs are really long. You're really extending everything, lengthening the whole spine, bringing the whole back of the spine on the floor, letting the feet flop out, leaving all your thoughts away. And just staying in the moment, staying here. You've finished an excellent practice. Feel great. You are wonderful. You are capable of anything. And you're awesome. Stay with these thoughts. And continue to breathe. Stay here for as long as you want to. As long as you need to. Right. I hope you enjoyed this practice. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for watching. Let me know in comments below how you feel about the practice. Thank you and namaste.